Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fold a Graco stroller. Let's fold the stroller. First, you want to lock the wheels so it doesn't move when folding. Note, if your stroller cannot be folded the first way, I'll show you the second way, so stay tuned. Let's fold this one. On the handle, there is a thumb switch right here. What you have to do is pull it to the opposite direction and hold it. Then, down here on the handle, there's a lever. You will have to squeeze it and hold it down at the same time. Then try to force the stroller down to fold. Then it will collapse by itself. Next, I'll show you the second way to fold a stroller if your stroller can't be folded the first way. Underneath the seat pad here, there's a tag. Just pull up on that part, then it folds. Please like and subscribe.